Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Charge the watch and enable heart rate and GPS so data is reliable. This matters because clean metrics drive decisions. Then input accurate personal data and pick a realistic weekly goal. Once set, the watch calculates calories burned and target zones. Next, activate activity rings and a step target like 8,000. These provide micro goals you can meet daily. Make sure syncing to your phone app is active. Without sync, trends vanish. You now execute. Use the watch to start structured workouts, interval runs, brisk walks, and strength training, because varied stimulus preserves muscle while burning fat. Once done, examine heart rate zones. Target moderate to vigorous minutes and a weekly total like 150-300 active minutes so you get consistent stimulus. Also log meals on the paired app. The watch's calorie burn estimate guides intake adjustments. Make minor changes weekly. If weight stalls, shave 100-200 calories or increase interval time. Then you finish by turning daily effort into a habit. Review weekly trends on the watch and app to judge progress. This smooths out day-to-day noise. Once done, set automated reminders for standing, hydration, sleep, and a consistent weekly weigh-in so behavior supports results. If metrics look wrong, troubleshoot. Recalibrate sensors, update firmware, and repair the device. These steps often resolve drift. If problems persist, contact support. Meanwhile, use manual entries so your plan keeps moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.